All right, boys and girls, welcome back. We got a live filming of an actual video. Say hi to my fourth bell. What's up, fourth bell?
Hello.
All right, so look, this one's a pain. I'm not gonna make the people that watch this video suffer through what I have to suffer through, which is typing these into my calculator. That's how you do this. Now, you need to be able to understand what these words mean. The frequency is how many people of age 10 were surveyed. So you have 7 people who are age 10. You have 11 that are aged 11, 15. Now, one thing I want you to notice about this is that, like so much other data, it is pretty well normally distributed. That's what a normal distribution means. What does that mean? Well, most of the data lies in the middle. You guys don't exactly understand this because everyone gets A's and B's. I mean, quite literally. But like in the real world, if we like graded things, in a normal distribution, there would be as many F's as there were A's. And the majority of people would get C's. What that does is it allows you to kind of like examine the data better. Who is like above, who needs remediation, and who's right where they're really supposed to be. Now, in education, that's not a good analogy because who am I to tell you where you're supposed to be? So I'm not against everyone getting A's and B's, obviously, as long as you earn them. So anyway, I do want you to notice that because that's a really important part of statistics, and that's where you guys are going. Now, all of this can be done in your graphing calculator, and I might be lucky here. Because when I made this for Ryan, I thought someone else is going to ask me this. So if I go to stat, have you used your lists at all?
Yes.
And then you hit edit. And then I think, let's see if it matches up.
Okay.
Because before, this morning, I had to type in, let me scroll up. Oh, does it start at 11? It's different. Of course. Dang you, Math Excel. No, hold on. No. Yes. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna have to start it all over.
Man.
So watch. I won't make you to clear your whole list, go up to L1 and hit clear, and then you gotta hit enter. Okay? So I'll go ahead and clear this one out while I'm at it. And then I won't make you guys suffer through all this, but I am gonna put them all in. All right, 7 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I check them. See, then I check them each time. I hate typing on this thing. So that's only 6 then, right? So I'll put one here, and then all right, now at this point, I will pause the video and make you guys not suffer through all this. And we're back. All right, so what did we do? We typed in 7 tens, 11 11s, 15 12s, 9 13s. Now, the thing about data is it's only as good as the data that you collect and only as good as the data that you input. This is why, like most businesses, corporations, schools, they talk about data. They don't really do anything with it because it's tough. Someone's got to enter all this. Someone has to accurately keep track of all this. So this is really why we tend to leave this up to our PhDs. Honestly, everyone that has a PhD works with a lot of data. But anyway, I'm not saying they're the only people that need it. I'm just saying they're the only people that take the time to do it right. Now from here, this problem's easy. You just hit, I believe it's stat. Okay. Now we want to calculate. And these are just one variable stats. There's only one variable, one thing. Okay. And then now look, I have L2 up because I was using that second list. So now I got to hit second 1. And now I change that to L1. Yours is probably already in L1. And I scroll down to calculate. Here we go. Okay, we did it right. So X bar is your mean. Okay? See it?
Yes. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, now, you just got to know what all this means. I can't write on this calculator. As soon as I touch it, it disappears. So you see the one above the N? Well, first of all, what do you think N means?
Gotta be honest, I don't know.
Okay, well, you just said that you had 59 things in your list. So what do you think N means?
That's
how many things are in your list.
Okay.
Okay? The thing above the n, that's maybe the most important thing. That's called your standard deviation. Okay?
Okay.
That's not in this problem, but it's in other problems.
Yeah.
Sometimes it asks for your variance, which looks like this. This is your standard deviation. And then sometimes they ask for this. That is your variance.
Okay.
To find that, just square
Okay.
that. Okay? Now, your mode, you should remember mode from the 8th grade or 6th grade or 3rd grade.
Mm-hmm.
It's the number that appears the most.
Yeah.
You can get that from the table.
It's week 12.
Yes, the number that appears the most are 12-year-old people,
Mhm.
not 15. It's not how many
Yeah.
times it appears. And then finally, to find your median, you go down to here to your quartile. If you ever needed to make a box and whisker plot out of this, you can see there it is right there. Okay? But your median's right there.
Okay.
Does that help?
Yes.
All right, class. Hope this helps. Keep working hard.